back here, you thief! Stop right now! I need it! I'm starving! Hey! Get away from here, you filthy stray!
I just wanted some help.
I said get lost!
No kind people anywhere.
Here, kitty. I have some bread for you. And some water, too. Here you go, little one. That one piece of food and a little affection changed your life.
The cat understood that even with cruelty in the world, there is no shortage of loving people. From tonight, its nights would be warm.